Namaste. Anisha Khushrow Bhatia. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic weight and measure and imperial and metric system. Imperial and metric system is very important for the dose calculation. This topic belongs to the pharmaceutics theory for the B Pharm first semester. So now we come to the introduction. Before dispensing, a pharmacist should understanding the various types of calculation involved in it. Therefore, pharmacist should have a through knowledge about weights and measure which are used in the calculation. So the weight is a measure of the gravitational force acting on a body and is directly proportional to its mass. Measure is the measurement of volume of any substance. There are two systems of weight and measures: the imperial system, the metric system. So the imperial system, it is an old system of weight and measure based on the arbitrary and unrelated units like grains, drachms, ounces, and gallons. Measure of weight in empirical system. Imperial system is divided into two parts for the purpose of measurement of weight as uh, avoidopoiesis system and apothecaries system. So the avoid avoidopiosis system. In this system, the pound is a standard unit for weight. There is all measure of mass weight are derived from the imperial standard pound in lb. Example: 1 lb is equal to 16 and 1 lb is equal to 7,000 and 1 is equal to 7,000 upon 16 grains, 43,437.5 grains. So the apothecaries system. In this system, grains is the standard unit for weight. Therefore, all the measure of mass weight are derived from the grain. Example: 20 grains is equal to 1 scruple and 60 grains is equal to 1 drachm. 480 grains is equal to 1 ounce. 8 drachms is equal to 1 ounce and 12 ounces is equal to 1 pound. 5760 grains is equal to 1 pound. So abbreviations commonly used in weighing, granum and all these tables is mentioned for the different variations. Measurement of capacity in imperial system. In both avoidopiosis and apothecaries system, the standard unit for capacity is gallon. Therefore, all other measure of capacity are derived from gallon. Example: 1 gallon is equal to 160 fluid ounces. So the abbreviation commonly used in measures of capacity. So the metric system is used in Indian pharmacopoeia. Measurement of weight in metric system. In metric system, kilogram is the standard unit for measurement of weight. Therefore, all other measures for weight are derived from kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams and 1 hectogram is equal to 1000 grams and 1 decagram is equal to 10 grams and 1 decigram is equal to 0.1 gram and 1 centigram is equal to 0.01 gram. 1 milligram is equal to 0.001 gram. 1 microgram is equal to 0.0001 gram. So there are the metric system. So the measurement of capacity in metric system. In metric system, the standard unit for measure is liter. Therefore, all measures of capacity are derived from the liter. Example: 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. In-turn conversions of imperial and metric units. Weight measure: 1 grains is equal to 64.8 mg is equal to 65 mg. 60 mg for all practical purpose. So the capacity measure, one drop is equal to 1 minim is equal to 0.06 ml for all practical purpose. So the domestic measure in this mentioned in this table. So overall, this topic is concluded. This is the sum of this protocol. So this session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.